Hey Tyler, it's Scott with Impact Latent SEO. I'm making this video for you to show you how you could improve your online presence and possibly generate more business through a website or your Google Ads or your Google Business Profile. I usually start with people's websites, which is not fine that you don't have one, but I do recommend getting a website just because it does have a validity to saying that you're a business. I mean, having a Google Business Profile is great, but that's just the start. So on your website, I do recommend a few things. First off is content. You want anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. What I consider buyer intent is where it has a location and also a service. So like windshield replacement or I'm just giving that example because it looks like, I don't know exactly where you are, but you're in the Salt Lake area. But the other thing is, and I'll show you on a different website, is when you save the alternate text correctly, make sure that those are saved as buyer intent keywords because they're embedded behind the photo and they count as content as well. So if we look up, and I'm assuming you're in Salt Lake because you are centered around here right here, but if we look up windshield replacement Salt Lake City, this right here are the Google ads. This is where I've been helping quite a few companies generate more business daily by having their ads being optimized. The biggest thing here is you want to try and have whatever the main keywords are, windshield replacement Salt Lake City, you want that down in your ad right there. And then you want to group your ads thematically, so like windshield would be one, windshield replacement would be one, windshield repair would be a different one, and then AutoGlass windshield, or AutoGlass replacement, AutoGlass repair, those are separate ones too. I could go into more detail with you on that in another time, but this is a great way to generate business right now. The Google Business Profile is the next best place to be, just because it's the second thing on a search, and also if it's on mobile, people call or go to your website right here. I know you're not in here right now, which is fine, but to get in here, you want to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. Adding reviews constantly is a great way to generate business or rank for a Google Business Profile as well. I have a little trick where I make a QR code for you so that you can have people give you a review as you're finishing up. And also adding branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly is really beneficial because it shows Google you're growing your business organically. And then adding your name and address and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google's a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you. And that's not just in your local area, but in the surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google Business Profile and also up in the ads, about 70% of traffic stops right here. They don't even go down to the website. But your website is another added on bonus to where you can rank and get more business as well. But going back to the ads real quick, just in Salt Lake City alone, there are 1,300 searches a month for windshield replacement without the keyword Salt Lake. So just having, even if we were to get one new person to talk to you a day, that would be really beneficial for your business, I think, because that could be anywhere from $300 to $500, depending on what kind of windshield replacement they need. But yeah, so that's just a small example of how many searches are being done. But it looks like if you go down to the Two Bros AutoGlass, this is one of the top competitors for you. And I'll kind of go through their website and what I meant right here. Like if it lets me, jazz. See how this says our Shutterstock instead? You could have something that says windshield replacement Salt Lake City, and that would count as content for you. This is their analytics right here. The domain rating and URL rating are the strength and trust that Google has for a website. You want these continuously moving up and balanced whenever possible. They're on a scale of 100, and they're at 11 and 17, and that's due to their referring pages and domains. And pretty much those are our backlinks, and what a backlink is when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and location whenever possible. And then looking at some of those keywords, you can see right here, windshield replacement Salt Lake City. They're number one. They're getting 185 people to their website just for that keyword alone. and then, the other ones here. So just to give you an example, once you have the authoritative content and citations and backlinks and everything, a percentage of these total volumes will start going to your website instead of your competitors. And then a percentage of those people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Tyler, I hope that this video is beneficial for you. I look forward to talking to you more, and we'll see if we can help each other out. All right, have a great day. Bye.